everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tip Time Thursday. Today's topic is kind of a difficult one. It's about a task that is really ranked as one of life's most stressful things that we'll have to do, and that is going through the closet or the clothing of a deceased loved one's. My sister and I had to do that just this past weekend because my lovely mother passed away recently. She lived a good life. She was 94 years old. I'm very blessed to have two wonderful parents that were together for 73 years. And so my sister and I, when we were going through her closet, we made three piles. One was a keep pile, one was a donate pile, and one was a trash pile for things that just weren't good enough to donate. So we went through each item and we carefully decided items to keep, to have made into teddy bears or blankets or other keepsake items to pass down to grandkids, or maybe for my dad to remember my mom by. It's a nice idea to make a keepsake item out of the clothing of a deceased loved one. So we kept one bag full of that. We donated most of the items, and then some of the items we just threw away. It's up to you when you want to do this task. My father was bothered a little bit by my mom's clothing items. I guess it made him sad. So he did want to get rid of them quite quickly. And so my sister and I helped him do that. Thanks for joining me this Tip Time Thursday. Please visit my website, pohulocal.com. I'll link to it below. I post weekly blogs with cleaning tips and decluttering tips. Thanks for joining me on this Tip Time Thursday.